What's up, everyone, and welcome to another episode here on NRV Outdoors. If you was with us during our last video, then you know we came up here to this trophy trout stream and caught an absolute pile of fish using those speckled pups in that awesome pink color. But like I mentioned, I wanted to fish this creek again and give it a little bit of cleanup with those old NRV Baits little stinkers right there. But in today's video, we're going to be switching things up a little bit. We picked us up a new combo here to try out, the Stratus 6 by Okuma. Matching setup here, guys. We put some 6-pound line on here to keep it light, but I'm really impressed with this rod. It's a 2-piece. You can break it down and hide it in a nice small space. It's got a really nice grip, like those loose that I like so much, a kind of a tennis style grip. And I'm really looking forward to using this thing. So let's not waste any time, guys. Let's hop in here. We'll try out this rod. We'll play a little bit of cleanup on this old creek. Oh wow, this thing casts so smoothly. There we go. Got her on. Right at the foot of the dam. Oh, she's fighting so good. There we go. First victim of the NRV Baits Little Stinkers. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Grab that old jig right there. A quick little pop out. Beautiful little fish right there. Let's let her go on back strong. Heck yeah, guys. There's fish number one. We'll go on ahead and bomb it back in here. See if we can do that again. Huh? I just caught one up from under the dam.
Did you really?
Watch how fast this will happen. If these fish are hungry, they'll eat that immediately. Oh, I see one right there. Oh, there's two right there.
One might be, might not get it.
Drifted right by him. Got him. Got him. Oh, beautiful jump. Do it again, girl. Yeah. Go ahead. That fish right there is like, wait, I thought that was food. Fantastic.
Awesome.
Dude. Thanks for the assist,
yes,
man.
Sir.
See if we can't grab that old hook. That them curl pliers makes it a little tough. There we go. Beautiful. Go ahead and send her back in there with her buddies. Got him on. Two 6mm little stinkers that time. And this fish here has been caught and broken off by someone. Let's see if we can help him in any way. Alrighty, guys, that's all we can do for this one. There she goes. Alrighty, guys, that fish has seen better days, but we was able to get all the stuff out of her mouth, and hopefully she'll be all right. That one's fighting pretty good.
You walking down here?
Yeah, I got you, man. He's gonna swim on down there right to you. Yeah, man.
Oh,
thank you, sir. Beautiful little fish right there. That's a little bit nicer fish. This old Stratus 6 is doing a great job. This fish is swimming right at me. Oh, he's decent. Yeah, he's decent. Better bring him on around yonder. This old sucker will pop the hook on me. Come here, boy. Yeah, buddy. Another nice one. Pretty fish. Switched up to those speckled pups because Them old little stinkers was getting passed up, but oh, this guy's hooked on the outside of the mouth. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Beautiful fish right there, guys. Let her go on back strong. Take off. Oh, thank you, girl. Thank you. I needed that one. Whew. Daggum, I was not ready for this one. Was not ready for this one. Oh my goodness. Just one after the other all of a sudden. They're on fire over there. They're all clones, about 2 pounds. To be as hot as it is, they are fighting good though. Little J-hook peg right where you want it. Fantastic. Popped him off. We'll let her go on back while she's still so angry. Take off. Nice slow release again. That old summer sun is rough on them, guys. 9 minutes left on the memory card. Might as well let her eat.
Yo, you done turn these fish on. Exactly.
Got him. Got him on, boy. Had a bunch of slack line, just swung it to the right. I'm about to go over there with Cody. Have a powwow. It is so hot. There ain't many days that you can go out and catch trout like this with it being, what, 90, probably 98 degrees right now. Oh, come on, girl. This fish means business. This old stratus 6 is holding her though. She is. She means business. She's going to tuck herself out. I'm going to have to keep her probably. If I don't get her in her net soon, she'll be too weak to put back. Oh, calm down, girl. Calm down. Come here. Come on. Let us look at you. Hardest fighting fish I've played with today. Sure. She meant nothing short of business. All right, let's see if she'll go back just as strong as she came. Oh yeah, she left furious. Perfect.
God, it's got a little breeze out here too.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. When he's come out, he looks.
Alrighty, guys and girls, this will be our last fish of the day. Just a little guy. We'll take him. Nope. Won't be the last time that happens. All right, perfect. Stay right there, little buddy. Don't move. So only take a second. There we go. Beautiful little fish right there. Let's let her go on back strong. Alrighty, guys and girls, that's pretty much going to do it for today's little video. Had a ton of fun with those little stinkers, as well as that speckled pup, to do a little bit of cleanup in this old creek. But as you can see, we're to the boundary here, and that's going to end our day. But if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you head down there into the comments and drop me a comment for a chance to win a pack of those little stinkers in that awesome yellow color, and either the 6 or the 10, totally your choice, and a pack of those speckled pups, either the regular pink or the silver series, totally up to you. But if you can, boys and girls, do yourself some fishing, have some fun. But most importantly, be safe and tight lines.